What does add actually mean? I'm Marie from This Child Can, and we're going to find out using biscuits, which is obviously the most important kind of maths. Okay, it's time for a biscuit challenge. Over here, I've got 2 biscuits. 1, 2. Over here, I've got another 3. 1, 2, 3. But how many biscuits have I got altogether? Can you count? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 biscuits, like that. That means in maths we can write it like this. 2 biscuits, add another 3 biscuits, equals a total of 5 biscuits. 5. 2 on the left, plus another 3. And we use this symbol to mean add or plus. We use this symbol in maths to mean equals or total or altogether. The only question now is, do I eat them or do I share them?